Musta po natataae po ako ikaw. But I feel stupid because they're laughing. It's like, why are they laughing? I want to know what they're saying. They're laughing at me. And that's the importance of understanding and knowing Tagalog.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mabuhay kayo. Paki-subscribe at sampalin ang kampana. Mabuhay! Banyaga ako dito sa Pilipinas at sa tingin ko napakahalaga na matuto ang mga ibang dayuhan ng Tagalog o anong pamang katutubong wika ng Pilipinas. Pumayag ang kaibigan ko na si Jay from the Black Filipino TV na makipag-usap sa mga kapitbahay ko kahit hindi niya alam kung anong pinapasabi ko sa kanya. And the results are pretty funny. Pero may pulot na aralin din ito para sa mga banyaga at yung kahalagahan ng wika. Kaya enjoy at maligayang buwan ng mga wika. Appear mga kakampi.
Itong mga kapitbahay ko.
Come closer, come closer. Mr. Nosebleeds. Pwede po ba magtanong? What?
Sige po.
Walang naman po. May sasabihin po ko.
Okay lang po? May sasabihin daw po siya.
Ibenta mo ko?
Benta niyo daw siya.
Bawal umihi dito.
Bawal umihi dito.
Bawal! Bawal talaga.
Pwede naman umihi kapag yung sa tabi na hindi mga malapit sa hindi makikita ka, di ba?
Bukod pa doon yung mga may signs na bawal talaga umihi dito, di ba? Di ba?
Well, anong nasa itaas? Diyos? May sasabihin po ko. Wala nga naman po. Wala nga naman. Anong nasa itaas?
Okay, say it. Say
Bawal umihi dito.
Bawal umihi dito.
it. Yeah, totoo.
Bawal umihi dito. Bawal umihi dito?
Bawal. Bawal po.
Bawal, no? Natatae po ako. Musta po natatae po ako ikaw?
Keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
Musta po natatae po ako ikaw?
Ano para siya? Kung talagang saan may siya,
Oo, tama.
doon may tuturo siya.
Tuwa nga eh.
Sakay ka daw. Hindi po.
The more we go, I feel more stupid and more stupid because it's like I want to go on my phone so bad and search what I'm saying. You know, it's like I want to know what I'm saying, and I want to know what they're saying. I don't know anything they're saying. It's driving me crazy. Ayoko ng mabait, gusto ko ng masungit.
Huwag mo masungit. Mabait po kami. Mabait po kami.
Pero sabi niya ayaw niya ng mabait.
Gusto niya masungit.
Gusto niyang masungit.
O gusto mo ba ako? Bakit?
Bakit? Bakit daw?
Bawal umuhi dito. Bawal umuhi dito. Bawal umuhi dito. Ibenta mo ako. Ibenta mo ako. Yeah.
Do you feel worried at all about what you're saying?
I feel a little bit worried, not so much because I trust Kay and I trust you. Ayoko ng mabait, gusto ko ng masungit.
Ayaw mo nang mabait. Gusto mo masungit.
Kaya,
Kasi po, ganun talaga ba? Yung mabait kasi, siyempre, yung mabait, pagtatapang ka, pag masyado kang mabait. Pero kung masungit ka, makikita mo agad yung ugali niya.
mahal mo pa ba ako?
Mahal mo pa ba ako?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Gusto mo ba ako? O gusto mo ba ako?
Sabi ko, oo, pero best friend.
O gusto mo ba ako?
Hindi na po sa gusto. Yung pang yung kung may tatanong po kayo, tanong po kaming sagutin po yung mga tanong niyo. Pero yung sa ano, okay lang po na mag-ano kayo. Pero yung sa gusto, hindi po.
I could be outside and people, and it happens to me before, people will be saying something, and I know it's not bad, I just don't know what they're saying.
Right.
And you know, I feel naked. It's not a good feeling.
I feel
So
you.
definitely learn Tagalog, even before you come to the Philippines, it's definitely needed. Gusto mo ba ako?
Gusto kita? Gusto ka namin. Bakit daw? Dahil mabait kayong tao.
Anong nasa itaas?
Anong nasa itaas? Siyempre langit.
Pakiinin na yo poko.
Makakainin kita.
Mahal mo pa ba ako?
Mahal ko ba kita? Mahal ka namin.
Hindi niya alam tayo yung binabasa niya.
Yeah, hindi niya alam kung anong binabasa niya.
Ayoko nagmabait. Gusto ko nagmasungit.
Ayaw mo ng mabait. Gusto mo yung masungit.
Kayo po, anong gusto niyo? Mabait o masungit?
Siyempre mabait.
Oo. Pero siya, gusto niya masungit.
Ibenta mo ko.
Benta ka?
Ibenta mo ko.
I will send you.
Anong nasa itaas? Yeah. Gusto mo ba ako?
Bakit daw? Bakit?
Bakit? Wala nga naman po. Ibenta mo ko?
Hindi ko po yung...
Why would you like to learn Tagalog? Not just people like you who go around. Ah, tanga!
Did you feel? Did you like the words that we gave you to say?
No.
Tagalog. No, in Tagalog.
Hindi.
Ayaw.
Hindi po. Me don't like it.
But did you find it funny?
It was funny.
Wait. What's the sad thing?
Is that Filipinos know English so well. Like, for instance, if I talk to them in English, they probably would understand me somewhat, even though they don't speak it. And what it does is it makes us more spoiled as foreigners, and it made me more spoiled for so long, especially the area I was living in when I was living in Pasay, because everybody speaks English in Pasay. But when I'm over here in Pasig, sometimes I can't even speak to a Filipino. You know, I think as foreigners, you know, you guys should go live in those areas, and if you're gonna be in Manila, go live in, like I said, go live in Pasig, go live in the province even, learn the language and immerse yourself in the culture, yeah.
Yeah. How did you feel about that?
I felt extremely slow, not knowing what I'm saying, you know.
How does that feel? Like, is it?
I felt naked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Like
felt
very exposed.
Yeah, I felt exposed and naked, and it's not a good feeling.
Yeah.
It shows me that I gotta work on my Tagalog a lot more, because say if I'm out here on my own and maybe I'm in a place where people don't speak English,
Yeah.
then I'm stuck out there
Yeah.
by myself. Say if my wife is not around, then I pretty much should be all alone. It's not a good feeling, you know, as a foreigner, especially in a foreign land. I've been here for so long, but say if my wife wasn't around, I'd be lost. So I'm learning my lesson. This is actually teaching my lesson.
That's good. I'm
Yeah.
glad.
Yeah.
I'm glad. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Foreigner coming here, you're the one who has to adjust. It's called respect. Pangalawa, kung isa kang Pinoy, kung isa kang Pinay, huwag mag-alala. Pilitin mo sila, matuto sila ng Tagalog. Kasi ito yung oras na sila na ang mag-a-adjust at hindi laging ikaw. Yan lang.